Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a traditional object of your country. You should say, what is it? How is it made? When did you try it for the first time? Why do you like it?
One traditional object my country that I would like to talk about is the saree. The saree is a beautiful and versatile piece of clothing that is worn by women across India for both formal and casual occasions. The saree is typically made of lightweight and breathable fabric, such as cotton or silk. It is a long piece of cloth that is draped around the body in a unique and elegant manner. The draping style and design of the saree vary depending on the region and cultural traditions of India. The process of making a saree is intricate and time-consuming. It involves weaving the fabric on a loom and then adding intricate designs and patterns using traditional techniques such as embroidery, printing, and embellishments. I first tried on a saree when I was attending a wedding. I was fascinated by the intricate designs and beautiful colors of the saree, and I was amazed by the different draping styles and techniques that women use to wear it. I like the saree because it is a symbol of Indian culture and tradition. It is not only a beautiful piece of clothing but also a representation of the diversity and richness of India's regional cultures. I'd also appreciate the versatility of the saree, as it can be worn in many different ways and for various occasions. Finally, I admire the craftsmanship and skill that goes into making each saree, as it represents the dedication and creativity of the artisans who create them. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.